Hello judges at Recess Hacks. My name is Praneeth and I will be here explaining to you guys about our project that we have made during this hackathon. So let's get ahead into this. So the problem that we were trying to solve is that many users spend hours and hours trying to find a specific niche content video that they want for their specific needs. So our solution was creating a project web application called Valdivian. Valdivian, again, is a web application that is made out of HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. We also use Python, more specifically a Flask, which is a backend server-side framework, which minimalizes all the transition between pages. So let's get ahead into the demo. So Valdivian again is a web application, so we didn't have time to make a domain, so we just made a localhost server. So as you can see, the page is pretty clean. It doesn't say login.html, and that's why Flask is there to do that. So as you click on Valdivian, you'll be greeted with a login page that says welcome to Valdivian. You'll be entering your username and password. And if you don't, you can always click register and you can sign up for Valdivian. But we already have an account, so let's go ahead and sign in. Great, now we're logged in. So we're greeted with a navbar that has our logo, a search bar for whatever video you want, since it is categorized using JavaScript, as a search button to initiate your search, and a profile which displays your settings, your username, where you can log out, your favorites, for you, interests, your profile, and your notifications. So let's go back. We also have an important feature where you can log out and sign back in. So let's go ahead and click into one of the tutorials below. We have a few tutorials. We didn't have that much time to implement other tutorials in other categories. So let's go ahead and enter into the first one. So before we enter in, all of these are categorized as best for beginners, intermediate, or advanced, as you can see. We have descriptions and we have a little badge here that says under 15, which indicates that this tutorial is under 15 minutes. So let's click on view. And now we're also greeted with the same navbar, and now we have a page that has the video and the guide. We didn't have enough time to actually implement a description, but as Valdivian's future goals, we wanted to make a full-fledged page for every single tutorial. So as you can see, this
Visual
video
Studio
works.
Code, a free and open source program for editing code. Software is just a collection of text files.
So clearly this video works. We have a description and whatnot. So now if you're done with this tutorial, you can always just go back to Valdivian and view your other tutorials. Again, this animation is made out of CSS and it is using JavaScript to categorize these. Once again, thank you for listening and have a great day.